Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this delicious peanut butter or groundnut soup. Let's get right into the video. I will start by placing my pot on fire, then I'll transfer some of my homemade peanut butter into it. You can check out this channel for how we made this peanut butter. I'll simply add the desired quantity, then I'll add some tomato paste and water and stir. I will stir for some few minutes, then I'll add more water to it and stir again for about 1 to 2 minutes, after which I will allow this to cook until we see some oil settle on top of it. This is the consistency that I want. I will allow this to boil, but I will stir it from time to time to make sure it doesn't get burnt. So it will boil until we see oil settle on top. While that is on fire, I went ahead and blended some onions, garlic and ginger, which I'll be using to steam my meat. I'm using chicken and I've already transferred it into the pot that I will be using. To that, I'll add the blended ingredients, some seasoning cubes, salt to taste, and a little bit of water. And here I have some onions, fresh tomatoes and pepper, which I will add to the meat and allow to boil until it gets soft. And right now our peanut butter is boiling already, and as I said earlier, we need to stir this frequently to make sure it doesn't burn. Our chicken on the other side has started boiling already, so I'll just try to turn them to the other side and let this continue cooking. And now we can see some oil already settling on top of our peanut butter. This actually shows that the peanut butter is real and pure. I'll stir this again and allow more oil to settle on top of it. Now back to our chicken. This has been boiling for some time now, and at this point the tomatoes, onions and pepper are already soft, so I'll take them out and set aside. Now that we've taken those out, I'll stir this and allow it to continue cooking. Now our peanut butter is ready. We can see that more oil has settled on top of it. So it's time for us to take this off the fire and transfer it into the chicken. And I'll also add more water to it. I added more water to make this very light because the soup will become thicker as it boils. Once the soup starts boiling, I'll go ahead and add in our blended onions, tomatoes and pepper. This is what I boiled earlier together with the meat. So after adding that, I will also adjust the salt and then I'll allow this to continue cooking. I'll let this simmer on medium heat to release more of its oil. But the last thing I'll be adding is some fresh pepper. This is optional, you can choose not to add it. And then after it simmers for some few minutes, our soup is ready. We can see that oil on top of it, guys. This shows that this peanut butter is pure, very pure. If you want to learn how to make peanut butter at home, kindly check our videos, and then you'll be able to make your own pure and creamy peanut butter. And we served ours with some rice balls, and trust me, it tasted so delicious. So kindly go ahead and give this a try if you have some peanut butter, and then let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.